Hey, Kathleen here. I am talking to you about this iWave-R residential air ionization system. So we had something before and it kind of conked out after a number of years, and so our HVAC person recommended this. Okay, not a super amount of light here, but I did want to show you, this is a new HVAC system for us, a new furnace, a new air conditioning, because ours was about 16 years old. So this was installed in our one prior. Now we've had it maybe a year, and we had it in our old furnace. So the guys took it out and put it in this new furnace, and it was seamless. My husband installed it the first time, but the guys just reinstalled it into the new furnace. So this iWave-R says residential air ionization system, but they actually are saying here on the side that they have it in healthcare facilities, gyms, manufacturing facilities, schools, assisted living places, hotels, resorts, military and government, correctional facilities, restaurants, rec centers, churches, and residential homes. So I don't know, but it says that it's supposed to clean the air inside buildings. The patented technology uses positive and negative ions to address indoor air quality issues. I mean, that's why we got it. Can we say 100% that it's working? Well, it does say that it reduces odors from dirty clothes, from cooking odors, pet odors. I can't really tell about that, but reduces volatile organic compounds, reduces smoke and other airborne particulates, and then improves overall indoor air quality. So it seems like it works, but can we guarantee it? No, but we don't really have the odors. We do not have a pet and we don't smoke, so we wouldn't have those. But my big thing was the VOCs and just odors, and then obviously just ionizing the air. And so can we say 100% that it works? No, but if you're in the market for something like this, it's definitely something to consider.